This is a how to measure video. I hope this helps you. Start off with, you need to have the girl put on a thin t-shirt and thin slacks, shorts, just nothing bulky. We're going to take true measurements. Don't build anything into your measurements. First one is bust, and you go over the fullest part of the chest. Okay, they need to stand with their feet together, arms down. Okay, so you make that one. You go down to the waist. Waist can be confusing. It is not where you wear your jeans. It is at the belly button, maybe even a little bit above. Take a true measurement, and if you have a hard time on figuring out where the waistline is, they can bend to the side. So go ahead and bend to the side, and where it creases on the torso, that is their waistline, and that's where you measure. Go ahead and stand up straight again. So that is waist. Next one is hip. You go over the fullest part of the bottom. So if you could turn this way a little bit, gives you a better view. That is hip. Next one would be girth. You only have to do this measurement if you are purchasing a bodysuit. So you take the measurements going around every curve of the body. So you bring it around here. Okay, if you could hold this for me right here with your finger. And then, let's go this way. I hold the tape measure at the curve of the back. Turn a little bit here. If you'll take your hand, right underneath your bosom, bring it up, and you give me the reading of where the tape measure meets. This is girth. Okay, arm length. Just relax the arm to the side. You start the tape measure where a sleeve seam would be, like in a jacket. Follow the arm down. I go a little past the wrist, maybe about an inch past the wrist. Wrist measurement is over the bone of the wrist, like so. Okay. Next one is skirt length. You're back at the waistline. Put the tape measure here. Let it drop over the bottom. And I usually do 2 fingers width underneath the cheek. So this reading would be, a nice length on her would be 13 inches. In some cases, we might be doing a prop skirt and we need a full length, or we might be doing pants. So once again, you start at the waistline, measure down the side here, and you go to the ankle. And that is it. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me, and I will help you over the phone, and we could even FaceTime. Thank you.